Welcome back, everybody, to My Slice of Heaven Outdoors. We have another edition of campfire cooking for you. Tonight we are making pineapple upside down cake. So stick around, see how we do it. Tonight we are having campfire pineapple upside down cake. So what we have is we have foil, one for each person. Need cooking spray for this one. Oh, we were hiding from Joey what we were making because it happens to be his favorite dessert and he didn't know you could make it on the campfire. We have pineapple chunks. He's over there while I keep looking over there. Butter. Brown sugar. The recipe called for pound cake or donuts or something like that. I brought a vanilla cream brioche. So, first thing you do, make sure the bugs have not decided to land on your foil. Spray the foil. Could have used a spoon, but I forgot to grab one, so we'll make a knife work. Put some pieces of the pineapple in. Rolling downhill. You're going to get pineapple juice all over the truck, honey. Or I'm going to get pineapple juice all over the truck. I have to tell them why I'm using the tailgate? Well, I'm using the tailgate tonight because we stained the table with a waterproof stain, which means I have to not use the table for 24 hours. So the tailgate is our second table. So it says you're supposed to take the pound cake, or in our case the brioche, and cut it into cubes. Again, this is a recipe we have not tried before. You guys get to come along with us for a lot of first recipes. Never tried this, what did I say it was? Vanilla cream brioche before. Looks pretty good. Well, that looks a little more than bite-sized to me, so I'm going to cut it in half again. And you put this on top of the pineapple pieces. That looks like plenty to me. Yeah, a spoon probably would have been helpful, but instead I get to get my fingers in the brown sugar. Crumbling up a bunch of brown sugar. That looks like a good amount of brown sugar on it. Then we have some nice softened butter. We put the stick of butter on a rock by the campfire while we were eating dinner. And it is pretty well softened. Came out of the cooler pretty hard. The recipe we're following doesn't actually give any quantities, except I do believe it said a dollop of brown sugar. So, I am totally going off what looks right. But aren't those the best recipes? That is definitely butter flavor. Yes. Yep, and now I have one ready here. And I'm going to make up one for everybody else. Again, if I had more table space, I could just make them all in a line, but instead I make one at a time. Alright, now we have all 4 pineapple upside down cakes ready. I'm gonna put them on the grate. Basically all we have to do here is melt the butter and caramelize that brown sugar. So it should only take a couple minutes.
It's just like pineapple upside down cake. Pretty good. Really good.
So last night we had the pineapple upside down cake, and I just want to tell you guys that it was really delicious. Because like when you're out camping, you can't really make an entire cake, but like it's personalized. So like it was really delicious and really easy and quick. You guys should try it. Please subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.
Go for it.
So last night we had the pineapple upside down cake, and Joey and I each had a couple of suggestions on making it even better next time. So we'll try them next time. I thought we'd let you guys know. I think it would be better if you put the pineapple, and then the brown sugar, and then the brioche, and then pineapple, and then brown sugar, and then butter. So put in brown sugar between the pineapple and the brioche. Leave everything else the same. Joey thinks we should flip the whole thing. Well, not the whole thing. Put down the brioche, then the pineapple, then the brown sugar and butter. So we're going to try both of those on our next trip, and we'll let you guys know how they turn out. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day.